Look at the hiccups. Oh no. Those awful hiccups.
That camera really interesting, huh? He's laying down on the blankie.